Today, I would like to share with you how to create an ombre color melt utilizing just 2 shades, Satire and Clear. Hey everyone, my name is Marissa Brazo. I am at Mermaid Hair Marissa on Instagram and TikTok, and today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite custom formulas utilizing Pulp Riot's shade Satire. This color technique is super simple yet impactful and can be used with any color. But once you try it with Satire, I promise that you are going to fall in love with yellow hair. For my look, we are starting with fully pre-lightened hair. My model is a level 910 for the cleanest application without any additional undertones. Formula 1, which will be applied at the root area, is just straight up Satire. Formula 2 for the mid-shaft blending Zone 1 and Zone 2 is 50 grams of Clear to 1 gram of Satire. Formula 3 for the ends is Clear only. I'm going to start at the base of the nape and work my way up to the top of the crown. I will start by taking my section and applying my Clear formula to the ends of the hair and up a few inches. By applying the Clear first, I'm creating a barrier on the hair against too much of that undiluted Satire creeping down. Next, I'm going in and painting my undiluted Satire, which is Formula 1, at the base. I want my deepest shade at the root, and I want those ends to stay clean and light. As you can see, we have this blank zone between the base formula and the ends. This is where I'm going to apply the Formula 2 to act as a transition shade. I'm applying this shade side to side and really blending it down into both zones to get the most seamless transition. Remember, if you don't want to see straight lines in your look, don't paint any straight lines in your look. As I'm going through the head, I'm choosing to do some sections with a larger zone of Formula 3, some with a larger zone of Formula 1, and some with a larger zone of Formula 2. This will help make everything look more blended and less like it's just a straight block of each color on the hair. I'm going to make sure that we let this process for a full 45 minutes. When I'm working with a highly pigmented shade such as Satire, letting it process for a longer amount of time really ensures that the pigment is absorbed fully into the hair to help minimize any bleeding into those lighter ends. Once the color doesn't feel wet to the touch anymore, it's time to rinse. Now that the color has processed, you can really see how intentional this yellow is. By placing Clear on the ends and melting the Satire formulas into it, the blonde stays clean and bright, while the yellow adds so much warmth, glow, and dimension. Never overpowering, never accidental. Remember, yellow isn't something that you have to cancel out immediately. It's a creative tool. When you can use it without fear, it can enhance, add brightness, add depth, and it can create unique, trending looks. That's the power of thoughtful placement and color melting, and how you can turn yellow into one of the most impactful parts of your color palette.